Today is Friday, April 25th, and we are looking at Bitcoin BTC to the USD. And we're doing a live price analysis. I believe the Bitcoin bull market may be coming back. We are north of $7,500. So if you want to see that live TA using the boss method and how you can make some money with this next trade, make sure you stay tuned. Let's go ahead and make this money.
Like a boss.
Live from USA, hoping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. As I mentioned earlier, I think this is the beginning of what could be a very big bull market for Bitcoin, ultimately leading up to $60,000. Yes, I believe the next peak of Bitcoin will be about 3.2 times higher than what it was in 2017. So if you multiply that out, you get between 62 and about $74,000. Right? And so my job on this channel is to try to help you make every penny you can on that transition. So ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and make this money. Before we get into it, if you haven't done it, join the Telegram group and also subscribe to this video. If I try to come on here 7 days a week just to help you guys make money in the market. So if you appreciate that, I appreciate you. Hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me think about what you think about this video and also what other topics you would like me to review on this channel. This is a live community, very dynamic, very influential in the crypto market space, and it doesn't exist without you. So again, leave me some feedback down below. Let me know what you think and what you would like to see in the future. And there is a link for the Telegram group right there in the description. This is from Cointelegraph, right? And they're quoting Bloomberg. Bitcoin is setting up for a 2017-like run. All the good old days of 2017. It was like shooting fish in a barrel. You really couldn't go wrong. As long as you had your money on the blockchain, it came back about 5 times whatever you put in. It was quite amazing, right? And they're saying that this thing is literally setting up to run just like it did in 2017. I think back in 2017, it went from, $1,200, I think, $1,200 up to 18,000. It was ridiculous, the rate of growth that crypto and the blockchain experienced during that time. So here you go. A recent Bloomberg report states that BTC is preparing for a massive bull run. Even the report's name is bullish. Bitcoin maturation leap, right? It's coming of age. The report mentions a number of reasons that Bitcoin market is maturing and it's due for a bull run. It also affirms that Bitcoin is gaining relative fuel as stocks reset if history is a guide. So essentially they're saying that the stocks are reverting back to their all-time mean, while Bitcoin essentially will be doing the same with regards to the last 2 years. So if you look at the last 2-year average, Bitcoin is actually undervalued at this point by about 15%. And they're saying that could fuel a massive bull run. It is indeed becoming digital gold. Even amidst the CV-19 pandemic, Bitcoin and gold also stand to be the primary beneficiaries of the unprecedented monetary stimulus that's accompanied by a mean reverting stock market. Again, stocks down, Bitcoin and gold up. This is exactly what we talked about in our last video when I said how to invest like a billionaire. Now is the time for Bitcoin. Check it out. There is a link in the description for that video. Right? So here we go. This is the long-term look at BTC. In order to know where you're going, you got to know where you've been. And so this is the look from that massive 2017 run, from the peak of that run to where we are today. Essentially, again, we locked out north of $18,000 back right before 2018 hit. And you can see we are still inside this downward trend channel. This thing is about 2.5 years long right now, right? So we're going to need a pretty big breakout to get outside of that channel. Let's let's jump into the charts and see what it looks like using the boss method. If you don't know how to use this method, I suggest you do this right now. Subscribe, turn your notifications on. Again, I have a proven method to make you money. It's mathematically impossible to lose using my method over time. Let Wall Street go tell you that. They can't do it. Next up, if you want to learn how to do it yourself, just type how to chart like a boss. Type that into Google right now. Click on the playlist, watch the top 3 videos in that playlist, and you will be well on your way to making money in the market, right? Here we go, man. 3 points you want to look at. This big breakdown right here that happened around February. You also have our rebound area right here. And then you have this consolidation area, right? One thing I like about using fractal harmonics and numerology that I do is that oftentimes you can seriously just draw the triangle, the shape that is represented by this joining, by the joining of all those 3 points, right? And when you do that, you start to get other influential points. Like, for example, you see how this node right here is kind of where all those points come together. For now, I'm just going to put that in a purple box. Let's do this thing as purple, right? Because that's going to be like our target. And now, now that I showed you where that little point of interest, we'll call it, exists, let's take these triangles off, clean this chart up, and now I'm going to show you how my regular technical analysis does. Again, we have breakdown, breakout, breakdown, right? If we wanted to freestyle on a Fibonacci breakout to breakdown on this quick cycle, essentially this gives us all of the limit that lies in this last little run right here, right? When you see you cap out right there, right between the 10.4 and the 10.2, essentially that's going to be our long-term ceiling as it was right before we dropped off the cliff. And this is our biggest point of interest, this 89, 8,800 area. It's somewhere right in there between 89 and 8,800. And again, that lines up pretty good right there on target with this blue line and that purple box that we drew. In addition to that, when we freestyle on a Fibonacci going vertical, right here, look at that. Just as the sky is blue, all I did was took the quick cycle from here. Where's it at? Quick cycle right there, and I took it out sideways, 0 to 1, and you take it out sideways. Again, you get almost double confirmation. That green on green, I believe this could be our potential breakthrough price for Bitcoin, right? We're looking at $8,800. If you followed the crypto market, Cliff High actually talked about the powers of the 8 back in 2015 when Bitcoin was $400, $500, $600. He was pulling data, deep in neuroscience of the, collective eclectic of the internet. And he said when Bitcoin breaks 888, it's going to take off. Why? Because that's a very, very, very important number for China. So I think the same thing is showing us right here. When Bitcoin breaks 88, it's probably going to go to 10,000 very, very, very rapidly. So that's the number you want to look for. How soon can we get there? Well, according to this chart right here, it's looking like the first week in May. Again, the first week in May is looking very, very good for Bitcoin. I do believe we have 2 cycles moving in our favor. The first is a quick money cycle. The second is this nice rebound, continuation, consolidation cycle from February. And as long as we are north, let's see, let's take this off right here. I already showed you how to freestyle on a Fibonacci with that one. And I want to drop this down here, and then I want to extend this out here, and then I'm gonna copy and paste this one right here. And this is our new channel. This is basically the channel that Bitcoin has to stay within as long as we're up and to the right on this channel right here. And listen, guys, it's not too many people in the world that can just make these charts make sense for you. So if you appreciate this, I appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up button. We need to get this message out to the people. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of my people being sick and tired, right? I'm telling you right now, Bitcoin has a major, major chance to hit $8,800 on or before May 5th. I'm going to stretch it out to May 7th just because that used to be my girl's and my dad's birthday, right? So we're looking at 88 on May 7th. You know what I'm saying? And there you go. That's what we're looking at. BTC up and to the right. It's a very, very, very good trend to bet into. And then the last thing, you do have a nice sine wave. Look, even the sine wave is coming through that purple box. Like, you can't make this stuff up. Like, no matter where I put this thing, you know, right there on that intersection, it's hitting that box at $8,800, you know, between May 4th and May 7th, 2020. And there you go, people. That's your Bitcoin price prediction right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's how you make some money, man. It's time to put down 2 and pick up 6 like a boss. Oh, by the way, I did just release a new profit package today. The top 7 coins to swing trade. I release it every Friday. Why? Because Friday is payday. You know what I'm saying? And my people get paid every 7 days. So a new profit package is out. The top 7 altcoins to swing trade this week using my methodology. If you want to pick that up, you can do so. Just message me in the Telegram group or jump on over to bossofbitcoin.com. Scroll down right here. You will see the profit package. $50 for the first month, $75 every month after that. And if you have a few BTC in the market, like probably $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, half a Bitcoin or more, it's definitely worth it to upgrade to the VIP Telegram group. I call it BAM! Boss alert messages to where you basically get 24-hour access to me. We have a lot of great crypto traders in there. Some of the best traders in the world are in that group, giving free knowledge, free information. Not necessarily free because you already paid for it, but once you're in, you get the whole kit and caboodle, right? And I literally give stop losses, limit sales. I'm, using every methodology that I have to make these guys as much money as possible. And I got people that have been in that group 1-2 years strong. You know what I'm saying? We making this money together, right? They call me Mr. Thanksgiving because when I sit down, everybody eats. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay. Brazil to Bay, to California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Do this for me, everybody. I need to bring this back. I'm trying to build this up again, get some continuity from the community. So if you made it this long, do me a favor, shout your city or your country out in the comments down below. Let me see. I need to come up with, like, I'm gonna make like a little drop like this, like, rep your city. You know, shout your city or your country out, and I'm gonna show y'all some love in the next video. So if you wanna get your shine on, you know what I'm saying, on my next video, it's Friday, man. Shout your city, your country out. I'm coming right back in 24 hours, and I'm gonna show y'all some love, and I'm probably gonna give away some BTC, man, because like I said, each one reach one, teach one. If I gotta pay y'all to start making some money with me, that's what I do. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button for a player one time. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh?